sneeze. Allergies. Honey boogies? Okay. I got mine with ketchup and mustard. I think. Here, it goes here. What's going on? Oh my god. I'm having a sneeze attack. Oh. Okay. Oh, what? I have another one coming. Come on, go away. Okay, I think it's gone. On the hot dogs, you can